Well, that was a really good suggestion, Gary, changing that front piece round. Have you got any other brainwaves about the corner of the seat?
Yeah, you said you're going to use these curvatures, but personally thinking, I think you need to keep it straight because it'll match the top part of the chair, the handle.
Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right, Gary.
And architecturally, I think it'd be more visualised.
Yeah, I thought you were just a guitarist. You're talking about architecture and helping me design my chair. But it just proves how difficult it is and how organic it is, because you know, you've just kind of come into the workshop to see how it was progressing, and I had a real problem there, and that just one brainwave about which way the curve should go has really helped move this chair on to the next stage. Thanks, Gary.
That's all right. I was going to say, sometimes you look at something too long and it blocks your mind. You get a block. Sometimes you need to walk away or get a fresh eye to look at it and go, oh, why don't you try it that way? Usually it works.